Okay, so that was it for parts per million. I know I got cut off, but that was really it. The other thing you have to know is molarity. So after parts per million, if you look, it says in the note packet with the key, percent by mass, skip, percent by volume, skip. So we're going to skip all the way down to part E, molarity. You're looking for this word. And this is just like parts per million. It's like how strong is your solution, except now it's got, what science word do you know in there? Mole, right? So now it's like how concentrated is your lemonade, but now we're going to do it like in moles. So instead of doing it grams of solute, we're doing how many moles of solute. So it's very similar, just how strong is your lemonade in moles. All right, so therefore the formula, which again always comes from the back of the reference table, is moles of solute. So it's still similar to the formula. How much of the part, the solute, the part you dissolve in, divided by liters of solution. All right, so the part that we're dissolving divided by the whole thing. So again, it's not how much solvent down here. It's not like this, the lemonade divided by the water. It is the lemonade divided by the whole thing. All right, so that's our formula. Where's our practice problem? Our practice problem says, find the molarity of 100 mils of a solution that contains 0.25 moles of dissolved solute. So I'm like, okay, 0.25 moles dissolved solute. That sounds like it's a solute because it said it was the solute and it said it was in moles. So that kind of helped me realize that that's what needs to go up there, 0.25 moles. And then what's the rest of the formula? It says 100 mils of solution. So it doesn't make me add up like how much solution there is. It just tells me that's how much solution there is. So it's not like I have to add the two parts. It just says 100 mils of solution. So I like this formula because it gives me the units. It says this should be in moles. This should be in moles. This should be in liters. Oh, this was supposed to be in liters. It says specifically liters of solution. So I do need to change this milliliters to liters. So I can remember back to King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. And I can say, okay, I'm in milliliters and I want to get to base unit of just plain old liters. So I need to go 1, 2, 3 hops to the left. So 1, 2, 3 hops to the left. So that would be 0.1 liters. All right, so I had to convert it to liters because the formula actually says liters of solution, okay? So you can do the whole King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk, but you can also know they're only ever just gonna ask you to go from milliliters to liters. So if you can just always move the decimal over to the left 3 places, that's always what you're gonna have to do. All right, so moles of solute, 0.25, liters of solution, 0.1. So now I'm just gonna do the math. 0.25 divided by 0.1 is 2.5. And then what are my units? Well, they're moles divided by liters. That's the unit. It's moles per liter. Okay. And the one thing about this is if you want to, instead of writing moles per liter, the symbol is big M, not to be confused with little m because that's meters. Okay. So just to go over this again, molarity is our second formula for how concentrated a solution is. It's moles of solute divided by liters of solution. You don't have to memorize that. It's on the back of the reference tables. I'm going to read through my problem, find the moles, find the liters. If it's milliliters, I'm going to change it to liters. Then I'm going to calculate it out, and my answer will be in moles per liter. My unit could be big M, so just get used to seeing that because it could be like in an answer or something. So I hope you can use these 2 videos about molarity and parts per million to do the 10 questions that I'm putting in Castle Learning. I hope that's not too much. I could maybe assign it over 2 days to apply what you learned. If you have any trouble, I will set up some office hours or you can email me. And by Monday, we should have it figured out, like how you're going to be able to like Zoom chat me or Google meeting, or the school's still figuring it out. Okay, I hope you guys are doing really well, and give me some feedback of what I can do to help you more. All right, bye.